Self and Credit Strong both use credit building products designed to help people establish credit history, but neither one guarantees a specific timeline for improving your credit score. By the end, you'll know how Self and Credit Strong work, what affects credit building speed, and what to compare before choosing between them. The main difference is how each company structures its credit building product. Self uses a credit builder loan model where payments are reported to credit bureaus. Credit Strong also offers credit building accounts designed to help users create a positive payment history. Credit building speed depends mostly on your payment behavior and what information gets reported to the credit bureaus. Making every payment on time helps create a record of responsible account management. A credit builder product does not instantly change your credit profile. It works by adding positive payment history over time, which can help demonstrate that you can manage credit responsibly. When comparing Self and Credit Strong, look at the details of each account before signing up. Check the monthly payments, fees, account terms, and how the product fits into your budget. The cheaper option is not always the fastest option. A product with payments you can consistently afford may be more useful than one that creates financial stress. Your existing credit history also matters. Someone with no credit history may have a different experience from someone who already has accounts, missed payments, or other information on their credit report. Before starting a credit builder account, review your credit reports if you already have a credit history. Understanding what is currently listed can help you choose the right strategy. The most important factor is consistency. Missing payments on a credit building product can hurt the progress you are trying to make. Self and Credit Strong can both be tools for building credit, but the faster results depend on your financial situation, payment habits, and how your credit profile changes over time. The key points are simple. Both products focus on building payment history. Consistent payments matter most, and the best choice depends on the account turns you can manage. Your next step is to compare the current Self and Credit Strong plans, review the costs, and choose the option that fits your monthly budget. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit building products, credit scores, and personal finance.